Naija Senate don talk again say dem serious to check well any bill wey dey come from House of Representatives before dem go approve am. For plenary wey shele on Tuesday, Senate leader Senator Opeyemi Bamidele talk say even though Senate and House of Rep dey cooperate, e no mean say dem go just approve anything without proper checking. E still remind dem say last week, Senate approve 6 bills from the House of Rep, but e still talk say reciprocity no mean say dem go dey do garbage in, garbage out. E add say every bill go pass through serious scrutiny to make sure say e go favour everybody for the country. Senator Bamidele come assure both chambers say Senate go still dey maintain integrity and make sure say dem check all the bills well before dem pass am.
Without attempting to respond to what was published in some newspapers about the Senate not working on concurrent bills of the House of Representatives, let me say for the record that we have been doing what we are supposed to do, and that only last week this Senate concurred to 6 bills from the House of Representatives. And yes, while we have the principle of chamber reciprocity, Mr. President, the principle of chamber reciprocity does not necessarily mean for us garbage in, garbage out. We will continue to consider concurrent bills sent from the House of Representatives the same way they also consider our own, and will ensure that every bill is given attention in overriding public interest. I just wanted to say this. We are attending to those concurrent bills and will continue to do what we are supposed to do.
President of the Senate, Godswill Akpabio, still follow talk say dem don make progress as dem don handle 6 bills from House of Rep last week. E still yarn say 2 more bills dey ready for consideration this week, and e show say Senate still dey serious for this joint lawmaking matter.
But at least I know we are going to do 2 today, and we'll continue to do so. So please let our brothers in the House of Representatives know that we cannot joke with anything that comes from there. It takes 2 hands to clap, and we'll continue to work together. So proceed.
This one shows say Senate still dey committed to serious and correct legislative work to make sure say every bill wey dem pass go benefit Naija people well. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.